everyone, Namaste Ellarigu. This is Suman and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna learn how to do the setup and run computer graphics project. And you will also get source code link in the description box. Okay, first step is to install Dev C++ and the link of installation for the same is given in the description box, which will redirect you to this page. And here you can see Dev C++, which is official setup. So you can just click on download button to download it. Okay, once the download is completed, you can close everything. Now open the downloads to install Dev C++. Just double click on this to install. Say yes. It will take a while to install the Dev C++. Click on OK. Click on I agree. Next. It will be installed to this directory. So click on install. And finish. Click on next, next, next. Okay. The Dev C++ is successfully installed. You can close everything again. Now, second step is to download GLUT library. The link of the installation is again given in the description box. So once you click on the link given in the description box, it will redirect you to this page. Just scroll down a bit and look for a MinGW free GLUT libraries. So you can just click on this button to download it. Once the download is done, you can close this. Now open the downloads to extract it. Okay, the free GLUT is extracted here. Now coming to the third step, we need to install GLUT library to Dev C++ based on our system type. For that, you need to open extracted GLUT directory one side, this PC on the other side. So now, based on the system type, we will copy the files across. Before that, we need to check our system type. So for that, left click this PC. You will see properties, open properties. Here you can see system type. So my system type is 64-bit operating system. So I will be only copying the files which are related to 64-bit. And you need to copy based on your system type. So let's come back. Go to the install directory of Dev C++ and go to MinGW. Go to this directory and start copying. Now once you copy across everything, we need to copy this DLL file to Windows system directory. For that, go to OS, go to Windows, search for system, so go into system32, copy the DLL file and paste. Alright, now we will create a new dev C++ project and do the OpenGL setup. Now close everything and open dev C++. Now click on File, New, Project, select Console Application. You can change the project name if you want. I will keep it as is. So click OK. Save. Then press Ctrl S. Then again save the main file. If you click on this plus, it will show that the main file is present within the project file. Go to Project Options. Select Parameters. Now you need to link the GLUT libraries. So for that, copy this and paste. I will provide this in the description box so that you can directly copy it. OK. Now click on OK. Alright. Everything is set up. Now the only thing you need to do is copy the file content here. Now we will replace this content with a source file code content. For now, minimize this. I provided the project source code link in the description box below, which will redirect you to our website from where you will get the source code, also the sample report for the same project. Now, let's run the source code. Now, once you replace the code, let's execute it. So, first compile and you will see there are no warnings and errors. So now just run it. This is the final result. To get more details of code, keyboard and mouse inputs, visit our website.